In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts in Zoho CRM. Exporting your contacts can be incredibly convenient for various tasks like migrating data, backing it up, or simply analyzing it in a different format. So let's dive right in and ensure you can do it with ease and confidence. First, you need to navigate to the export settings. Begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once you've got your dashboard in front of you, look for the Setup icon, which is usually at the top right corner of your screen. It might look like a little gear or cogwheel. Click on it, and a menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find a section called Data Administration. Here, you need to select Export. This is where all the magic starts. Now, when you're in the Export Data screen, you'll see an option labeled Select Export Module. This is where you decide which type of data you want to export, and in this case, you'll choose contacts. But there's more to it. You also need to decide on the specific subset of contacts to export. You can choose to export all your records, and keep in mind that there's a limit of up to 3,000 records per batch. If you don't need everything, you can select a custom view, which might be a saved list of contacts that meet certain criteria. Alternatively, you can specify an entirely new set of filter criteria to refine exactly which contacts you're going to export. With that subset in mind, we move on to selecting which fields you want to export. You have a few options here. You can choose to export all fields, which does what it says and exports everything for the contacts you've selected. Or, if you've already set up a custom view, you can use fields from Custom View to keep it simple and relevant. If you prefer a more tailored approach, you can manually pick and choose the specific fields you want to include. There's a limit of around 200 fields that you can select. If you're exporting all fields but don't want some of them, you can opt to exclude up to 20 fields. Once you've got every detail squared away, it's time to start the export process. Click on Export, or sometimes it's labeled as Start Export. This will add your request to the queue. You'll be able to see it in the export history, where its status will change from in progress to completed once it's ready. Finally, when the export process is complete, you're ready to download your file. The link will be active for 7 days, so make sure to save the CSV file, which is usually zipped, to your computer within this time frame. Once downloaded, you can proceed with whatever next steps you have planned for your contact data. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to export contacts from Zoho CRM. Happy exporting!